All right, moving on to the rooms here. They're in the back of the room. These are getting just squashed to pieces. I think to me that helps with the actual just bringing out the room sound by just squashing all of the transients and helping bring up all of the back end of those microphones. So I've got the MicTech C5s again in sort of this like spaced or ORTF. Really, again, what it is just to make sure that the kit is being in the center of them. If they're too far to me and I haven't like measured them, and if something is different over here and something's different over here, I just feel like I would rather them be similar in sound, so that way I can just manipulate them as a whole instead of individually. The room mics are going through the Focusrite ISA, then they're going through this SSL EQ ultraviolet thing, and then they're going to a pair of distressors, which are just blowing them to pieces, and then they're coming into Pro Tools. And to me, on their own, sound like shit, but they're kind of cool in the mix. So here they are on their own. I've got them at a 10:1, kind of on their like optical setting, and then, you know, they're introducing a little bit of distortion. So I think they sound really cool on their own. I'm curious to know what I did with this plugin here, so I'm gonna go ahead and engage this. And looks like some similar moves with a roll off up to 100 and then down to about 13, perhaps even more compression. Okay, nothing too crazy. EQ wise, on the, again, this is like the clash of EQs in the name of kind of either fixing it afterwards or just realizing, okay, I didn't really love this part or whatever, but in my outboard EQ, I am cutting 500 and then here I am adding it back in. I don't know what that means. I'm sure somebody out there is super mathematical being like, this is what it's doing to the phase. And absolutely, I'm in the wrong here, but don't care. And then same thing here, probably getting in here just to cut some more harshness up here in like 1.5, and then taking down some more high end in a shelf at 10K. So here it is with this channel strip bypassed. And engaged. So the most notable thing here is really just the top end being reduced with the shelf around 9K.